All parties Hurriyat Conference occupied Kashmir chapter has paid glowing tribute to the prominent martyred resistance leader Shaheed S. Hamid Wani on his martyrdom anniversary today. All parties Hurriyat Conference Azad Jammu and Kashmir chapter has also paid tribute to the prominent martyr freedom leader S. Hamid Wani on his martyrdom anniversary. A reference was organized in memory of the S. Hamid Wani on his martyrdom anniversary in Islamabad today, with the convener Mahmood Ahmad Sagar in chair. According to Kashmir Media Service, the Indian police had arrested S. Hamid Wani on April 18th in 1998 in Sura area of the Srinagar and later killed him in custody on the same day. Illegally detained senior leader of the All Parties Hurriyat Conference, Naeem Ahmed Khan, has expressed serious concern over the fresh arrest spree unleashed by the Indian troops in occupied Kashmir, urging the international community to stop the Modi regime from committing atrocities against the innocent Kashmiris. Meanwhile, unidentified gunmen killed a non-Kashmiri vendor identified as Raja Shah in the Islamabad district. People's Democratic Party President Mehbooba Mufti has linked the Narendra Modi-led Indian government's illegal actions of August 2019 to an earthquake for occupied Kashmir, the tremors of which are still being felt. According to Kashmir Media Service, addressing a public rally in the Kulgam district, Mehbooba Mufti said that what happened in 2019 when the special status of occupied Kashmir was scrapped was an earthquake. Jammu and Kashmir National Front has said that Munir Khan's decision to join the pro-India politics has nothing to do with the policy of the National Front and its leader. According to Kashmir Media Service, the JKNF spokesman Mohammad Haseeb Wani made it clear that Munir Khan has never been a part of the JKNF. Residents of the Pantha Chowk area of Srinagar staged a protest against the indifference shown by the authorities in occupied Kashmir in completing the construction of a footbridge in the area, work for which was started 7 years ago. According to Kashmir Media Service, raising slogans against the administration, the protesters said that despite so many years have passed, the construction of the bridge has not been completed. Azad Jammu and Kashmir government is actively pursuing measures to revive the Sikh industrial units in Mirpur and Bhimber districts as a part of the integrated industrial uplift plan. The Kashmir Media Service reported that with the focus on boosting the industrial activities and creating employment opportunities, the government aims to address the grievances.